They sat and waited for their time, bided their time.
Let's move to volleyball now. Kenya Ports Authority men's volleyball team has intensified training ahead of the 2024 Africa Club Volleyball Championships to be held in Egypt. The Dockers will be using upcoming volleyball tournaments in the country in preparation for the games, which begin on April 14th.
In the last meeting, we were ranked number 6 in Africa. We were the number 6 club in Africa. But this time round, we want to make our training more intense so that we can get a better position, maybe a podium finish. That is our target as for this year. We have a lot of new players and young ones. We will bond them. We have old players who were there last year, and others have moved to other clubs. But we also recruited new players. So we will use our players, the KPA players, our KPA players, because this is an international event. As much as we would like them to feature, this is a club and they already signed some contracts out there. So they had the green pastures, and we don't think we will need them at this moment, because even the rule states that you cannot play 2 leagues at a go. So by rule ways, it's not possible for them to play.
Leopards will play Shabana and Gor Mahia on the 24th of March.